Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Chrome tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually install Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. So Google's actually made it really simple to install Chrome on your computer. Right now, I'll walk you through the steps, and then I'll ensure that Chrome is your default browser on your computer. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do in the address bar here is just type Chrome download. The first result from Bing should be Google Chrome web browser right here. So we'll click that. And I'll have this link in the description in case you get lost. And right now we're on Google's website where we can download Chrome, so I'm just going to click download Chrome. Go ahead and accept and install. So down at the bottom, go ahead and click save to save Chrome on a computer so that you can install it. Now that it's completed downloading, we're just going to go to run right here. As you can see, Chrome is being installed right now. So it's going to connect to Google, download some of the necessary information, and then it will fully install it. This could take several minutes based on the speed of your internet. All right, so it's done installing. All we need to do now is simply open Google Chrome, and we can do that by minimizing the Edge browser, and then you should find the Google Chrome icon on your desktop right here. So to open up Google Chrome and start using it, all you need to do is double click it, and it'll open up and load right there. Now to make Google Chrome your default web browser for Windows 10, all we're going to go down to is the Windows key down here in the bottom left, select that, and then go to Settings. Once you're in the Windows settings, go to Apps, and then in Apps, in the left sidebar, we're going to select Default Apps. Once you're in Default Apps, scroll down until you see Web Browser. Go ahead and select the web browser, and then go to Google Chrome. And that's how you install Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer and then make it your default web browser. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Google Chrome tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.